Are you trying to synchronize Pipedrive with HubSpot, Mailchimp, or Activecampaign? And the first thought that comes to your mind, why not to use Zapier? Watch this video and I'll show you exactly why Zapier is not good for this specific purpose, and I will show the solution that I use for my clients. So first, let's think, why is sales and email marketing two-way synchronization so important? Why you shouldn't rely just on trigger and action-based automation. Marketing campaigns do not finish simply on brand awareness and consideration. They are part of your sales funnel. But what mistake many companies make is they simply do not synchronize CRM with marketing automation. Let's look at this marketing funnel. When customer reaches consideration stage with high intent, for best practices, it's usually being pushed to the CRM stage qualified. Depending on the preferences, the first stage can have a different name. However, marketing job does not end here. It continues to impact the success of the sale. So how do you measure if at this stage you simply cut the synchronization and you do not see how marketing and sales impact each other? You should have a separate email marketing campaigns for each stage that you see right here. After demo schedule, they should be receiving different email. For after the proposal is made, again, different kind of email marketing campaign. It does not replace the personal touches your sales reps should be activating using maybe video sales letters or LinkedIn touches or any other tactics that you're using. But marketing job is definitely not finished right here. So in order to have fully functioning sales and email marketing alignment, you should be looking at two-way synchronization solution. So a lot of businesses choose Zapier for specific purpose. It is to synchronize their marketing automation with Pipedrive. And unfortunately, the synchronize word is the wrong one here because there's no synchronization. There's only trigger action-based solution provided by Zapier. But I really want you to think about 5 disadvantages of this method before using Zapier marketing automation and Pipedrive alignment. So I even scored the impact on this specific method for your CRM and marketing alignment in terms of the negative score that you receive. So the first thing is that you don't see marketing engagement on CRM. So on the Pipedrive, if there's Zapier solution implemented, you don't see any email open rate, clicks, scores. It has a huge impact on the alignment because simply there's no alignment. Then sales stages visibility on marketing automation. So your marketing team is blind because they don't see at all which leads or prospects are going through sales stages, and they cannot focus on supporting your sales activities. Now, hard to sustain from workload perspective as you would need a lot of zaps. This one is really painful because I had clients in the past who really insisted they want to use Zapier for everything and they wanted to work on Pipedrive and HubSpot automation. So we made a huge map, things that we want to synchronize, and I think we reached 70 zaps of that solution. From the workload perspective, figuration is one thing, but you actually need to monitor them. The more zaps you have, the more problems you might run into it, because apps connections, they have specific dates when you need to check them, and they might not work. You might receive a lot of errors. So in terms of not just configuration, but also workload perspective in the future, is a horrible solution. Expensive to sustain as Zapier can become costly. This one is huge one. Of course, if you have money, it does not affect you, but still, I think it's a waste of resources and workload. You can work on much bigger return on investment tasks when it comes to marketing and sales automation. So I wouldn't recommend that. Another one is you cannot record leads, source, medium, and landing page details in the CRM just because you're using Zapier connection between Pipedrive and marketing automation platform. So again, this solution does not provide full visibility for marketing and CRM alignment. I really want you to consider those before really pushing for Zapier. In the next section, we will look at the solution that I am offering and the one that I am almost always using with my clients who want to use Pipedrive with Mailchimp, Activecampaign, HubSpot, or Sendinblue platforms. In order to have a two-way synchronization, you need a cycle solution. So I would like to talk about the alternative option to Zapier, which is outfunnel, and which starts cycle with person filter on Pipedrive. So Pipedrive filters are really powerful. You have deal filters, organization filters, and person level filters. So you can make sure that you identify even the deal stage that person is at, if they have an open deal, and all other personalization elements. Then once you have that filter set up, you can push those specific contacts to outfunnel, which in turn adds them to your marketing automation tool, HubSpot, Mailchimp, Activecampaign, and you choose the specific list and then, of course, the campaign that you set up there for those contacts. But the beauty does not end here. The beautiful part is that you see all campaign details on outfunnel widget in Pipedrive. You see the campaigns that they are assigned to, when it was sent, opens, click, replies even, web visits if you also integrate your website on outfunnel, and the marketing level status. Another thing that I really like is that if you decide to implement lead scoring and campaigns tracking of the medium data where the contact was coming from, you also get the details. So I really think that this solution provides you all nice cycle that you can make sure marketing department is working hard on your sales leads across the stages, and those stages match the marketing content that they are receiving.